This is Great Gaia Goddess, and this is what my brother gave me. He had a friend that had heard me say that I needed a grinder and you can't find anything here. And that friend, she purchased this $2 at a yard sale. I never can find this stuff. And it has two different grinder, I don't know what you call those, but has two of them. One's already on there. And then it has this. I have no idea what that is. So if somebody can tell me, I would appreciate it. And these are all over the internet. You can find them for pretty cheap. But not for $2. Made in the USA. I am so thankful I got this. Lumberman 2011, you are off the hook. Unless you can find me a grain grinder. Sorry about that, bub. Alright. Thanks for watching, and if anybody can tell me what this is, I'd appreciate it. Bye-bye.